I want to talk a little bit about extroverted intuition, I's, and introverted intuition, I's. So the NPs and the NJs especially. What's up, team? It's Sherman here from Geek Psychology. I see comments around about NEIs and NIIs, extroverted intuition I's, introverted intuition I's. And I've noticed a connection a long time ago with neurolinguistic programming and the way we access information. So NEIs, a lot of people say they bounce back and forth, you know, look, they're going back and forth like this, right? NIIs are this blurry focus of unfocus. So with neurolinguistic programming, if you don't know what that is, the way that I refer to it, and maybe this is not the way NLP practitioners would say it, but it's like a toolbox of different skills and things that you can bring out to understand how your mind is working, how it's encoded, and accessing it better. If that sounds cool, you should look it up because it is cool. It's very helpful. There are two different positions that we look when we are accessing memories or visual information, rather, and when we are creating visual information. So within NLP, when we're talking about visual access, and you're looking at somebody, if they look to their top right, which is your left, I know this is going to be really confusing, if they look up there, it's going to be creation of visual images, okay, visual construct, visual construction. If they look to the other side, it's visual recall, okay, it's accessing past visual information. So without going too much more into that, when somebody is looking back and forth like this, I mean, my first thought was like, oh, they're connecting NE and SI. Maybe not my first thought, but they're connecting NE and SI. Like if you're going into your past, you know, and you're getting this visual information and then you're reconstructing it, you're creating new visual elements with it, seeing it in different ways and playing with those emergent ideas and, you know, whatnot. You're going back and forth between SI and NE. And so for me, yeah, I do it. I look around like this. I also look down as, you know, FIs, like this sad looking down image, right? But that's what it is. You know, and like I said, this is just my connections that I was thinking about with them. But so going back and forth, pinging back and forth could be a way that you could access some sort of hybrid SI-NE type thing if you're not an NP, right? Or it could be a way of like maybe possibly creating it, you know, bringing it back and forth and trying to access that. Because I know for the NIIs, the NJs, it's this, the opposite of tunnel vision. It's non-foveal vision. So it's like if you look at your finger and then you look from there, this is going to look really weird on camera, you know, expanding out, seeing what's over here and then seeing what's over here. Pretty soon, if you're in this state, this hakalau state, as it is called in Huna, you can see, like over here, I can see what's going on over here. Not with perfect visual clarity, not acuteness of visual ideas and details, rather, but I can see it. And through doing this, you access more vision, you access more of your brain, apparently, and that kind of fits with NI, doesn't it? Being able to go into this Zen-like brain state and access visual and auditory and all these other different regions, and then sift through it and pull in one insight, the insight that you needed. You know, you're able to hear things out there. You're able to feel things a little bit more. You're not as hyper-focused on any one idea or visual element. If you talk to an ESP, I'm going to go back into my normal view, my normal eyesight. If you talk to an ESP, like, they can tunnel in with complete clarity. Like the golf ball, they hit it, they can see the Titleist flying around. You know, they can become these different elements around them and see things with such clarity that boggles my mind. So anyway, those are my thoughts on NEIs and NIIs. I suggest you look down below in the description, and I'll link a little bit more information about NLP and Huna and Hakalau. All right? So I hope it was helpful. I hope it gave you something to think about, and you can play with it and look like a weirdo on the train like I do. All right? Good luck, have fun. Peace.